In South Africa, there are approximately 1 million persons who are partially sighted. They have problems with seeing. And in the world, there are approximately 300 million. In collaboration with Siegfried Druchels, we started to think about the use of Bluetooth beacons in conjunction with smartphones to make the life of the blind easier. That is how we came up with our ProxiSee app.
We started with using iPads in our lecturing, and we found that many of the apps do not do what we want the students to learn. So we decided to study app development ourselves. Then, at a workshop, I heard of these wonderful devices called Bluetooth beacons that can radiate a Bluetooth signal. Now, since Richard and I both have small children, we thought, why can't we use these beacons to detect our child, whether the child is within a certain radius of us? It could be very helpful in a mall, for example. And as we progressed with the project, we thought, why can't we use it for the blind? Why can't we use it for the blind? Because the simple idea is that when the phone detects the beacon, it will push information to the user, and specifically it will be for the blind auditory information. Heidi is blind and she's got the device with her, and she's walking now towards the first beacon, and the phone will pick up the beacon and it's vibrating to indicate to her that there is a beacon.
You are now pointing in the direction of the courtyard. Please take approximately 15 steps to reach the entrance of the...
Heidi will now orientate the device to find the correct direction. When she hears the sound of the bell, she double taps, and the app will tell her what direction to walk and how many steps to take to the boardroom. She's now walking towards the final beacon. She has to orientate herself.
You are now pointing in the direction of the boardroom.
This app, ProxiSee, is entirely cloud-based. In other words, all the information is stored in the cloud. The great advantage of this is that we now have a template which can be applied to any building.
We will use the SAB Foundation money to further develop our ProxiSee app and further develop the rollout of this technology with collaborating institutions. We believe the ProxiSee app, making use of Bluetooth beacons, will make a big impact on the lives of the blind in South Africa and internationally. We will work in direct collaboration with the blind to develop a world-class product that will impact positively the lives of blind around the world.
I think this is really revolutionary and something that I believe is extremely needed in improving the ability for a blind person to be independent in terms of their mobility.